And Milton.
Good afternoon, Mr. King. I've got Mr. Stickley, the Chief Public Defender, here with me.
Right out the gate, we've got a possible violation of a personal protection order, a PPO. Translation, the court said stay away, and allegedly, he didn't. Let's see how deep this rabbit hole goes.
That there's an allegation that you violated your personal protection order. I saw this when I first came in this morning, about 10 after 7. I looked at the roster and I saw you were on it. There was a circuit court matter. Apparently you've already seen Judge Stutzman and he gave you a day in jail and a new date to appear. You also, I'm advised, have a hold on you from Cass County on a fail to appear for what was listed as cyber stalking. So you have a case in Cass County. And
I called my attorney.
I'm sorry?
And I called my attorney in Cass and I told him I couldn't make it. Can we
Who's your
reschedule?
attorney in Cass?
I had no fucking idea. He was texting me.
All right,
And I
don't
I
swear.
called him and I told him, I said, I cannot make it to court. I don't have a ride. Can we reschedule?
Well, all right. That's their problem and they'll deal with that.
Judge Middleton drops the key detail. The restraining order isn't just a piece of paper. It's tied to Virginia Swanson and a specific property. But here's the twist. The defendant claims the house is his. Ever heard, possession is 9/10 of the law? Yeah, not quite in this courtroom.
My issue is I ordered a restraining order prohibiting you from having contact with Virginia Swanson or going to property at 1307 Briarwood Court, lot 24. And as I recall, this was your brother Dewey's house, and he passed away last October. And there's been a lot of discord since then. Anyway, the allegation is that you did go to that property in violation of my order. So the prosecutor has authorized a violation of a personal protection order. As such, I don't know if they gave you these rights, so I'll give them to you.
April 25, you have the same page?
Well, let me find them.
No, wait, Jeffrey, Milton.
Yes, sir.
I'm your boss, okay? Now wait a minute, listen. You did not give me no protective period. She did. She put a PPO on me. You didn't. She did.
Yes.
Boom, there it is. The defendant insists the house belongs to him, but the judge isn't buying it. And this isn't just a property squabble. If it's not legally his, then stepping foot there turns into a criminal act.
And that is my house. That's in my name. It's in my name, Righteous King. That's what I think about.
My recollection is it was not in your name. It was in Dewey's name. Oh, here we go. But that's to be determined. At any rate, they had requested at least one previous PPO, which I denied because as a rule, you can't use a personal protection order to evict somebody. But there was a separate set of incidents and I authorized the PPO. So you're alleged to have violated that PPO by going to that property when you were prohibited from doing so. You have the following rights. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. You have a right to plead guilty or not guilty. At this point, I'm assuming you're going to plead not guilty. You have a right to be tried by a judge without a jury. You have the right to have the assistance of an attorney. So we're going to appoint an attorney to assist you. You have the right to an attorney appointed by the court at a cost of at least $150, or to hire your own attorney if you plead not guilty today. If you have a trial, you have the following rights.
How about this? Hey, wait. How about this?
And just when things get serious, bam. He claims he's an FBI agent and even tries to fire the judge. Folks, this isn't law and order. This is a full-on legal circus. Anybody else getting sovereign citizen vibes?
Jeffrey Milton, as the FBI agent that I am, you're fired.
Okay,
How
well,
about that?
thanks.
You're
That's
fired.
great. I wish I was
Because
fired.
I can't fire you. I can't
Well, you
fire you, and
can't
I'm not joking.
You're stuck with me. All right, let me finish this. You have a right to see, hear, and question the witnesses against you at trial. You have the right to call witnesses to testify for you at trial, to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at trial, and to be a witness for yourself at trial, or to remain silent. You have the right to have the prosecutor prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you're guilty of criminal contempt, or by clear and convincing evidence of civil contempt.
Hey,
You have the right to be heard on bond, which we will address here in a moment.
Well,
If you plead guilty, let me finish this, Mr. King, then I already have to say. If you plead guilty or no contest, your plea is accepted, you will not have a trial, you will give up the rights that I read to you above. An appeal of right for finding of criminal contempt may only be taken within 21 days. If your plea is accepted, any appeal on your conviction and sentence would be by right. Federal law and state law may prohibit you from purchasing, possessing a firearm if you're convicted of criminal contempt. So at this point, Mr. King, do you wish to plead not guilty to the PPO violation?
you're fired.
All right, thanks.
No. I'm FBI agent Righteous King. You know I'm your boss.
You're about an FBI agent like I am. I'm reading Black Mass, which is about the FBI in Boston, which is very interesting. But Mr. King, you're not an FBI agent. You know it and I know it. And you don't have the right to fire me, even though I wish you could. Then somebody else could do this. Anyway, I'm going to show your plea not guilty. I'm going to appoint an attorney. And I'm going to set a PV hearing, a PPO violation hearing.
Boston? I work in Washington, D.C., dumbass. Not Boston.
And now he's arguing geography, insisting he works for the FBI in D.C., while calling the judge a dumbass. Pro tip: insulting the judge mid-hearing? Yeah, that's not a winning strategy.
The book is in Boston, and don't call me dumbass.
No, FBI headquarters is in Washington, D.C., on Pennsylvania Avenue.
Okay.
Do your math. Do your math, okay? That's what I work at.
Yeah, all right.
Call them.
Now,
Call on the phone
Mr.
now.
King.
Call on the phone. Are you scared? Are you scared? You are. You know I work for the FBI.
I didn't know why you say this kind of stuff. Mr. King, I'm going to mute your microphone because I don't really care what you have to say. And you're a supreme case of the pot calling the kettle black. Further complicate things, you have a new charge that they're going to arraign you on tomorrow. Prosecutors charged stalking and malicious use of a telephone regarding this Amanda Wilson, who's also the subject of this PPO. And as I mentioned, Cass County has warrants for your arrest too. So I'm going to set your bond here at $5,000 cash or surety. I felt there was a danger to this person. I prohibited you from contacting her. And the allegation is you went to that address. There is a dispute as to who owns this house, and I don't think it's you. So I don't know the date where your hearing is going to be right now. It may depend on who the attorney is. So let's give you one last chance to say something. Do you have anything coherent you wish to say? I can't unmute you from here. All right, Mr. King, I'm going to get an attorney to assist you and we'll set it for a proceeding. As soon as we can do that, you're going to get arraigned tomorrow on your new charge. And either me or the magistrate will see you tomorrow. All right.
Listen to me, please. I'm trying to talk to you, please. I'm trying to be
All
nice to you.
All right.
All right. Who is Amanda Wilson? That's what I'm trying to understand. Who is Amanda Wilson? Who is, you tell me this new charge on this new person, Amanda Wilson?
Well, the
Who is
first
this
one,
Amanda
the
Wilson?
PPO is Virginia Swanson. Amanda Wilson is the subject of the new complaint. Apparently, the allegation is that somebody gave you her number and then you started hassling her. Not sure what this is about, but the complainant in the PPO is Virginia Swanson, who also lives at Briarwood Court. So Amanda Wilson, I don't know who she is either. We'll find out more about her tomorrow. So
I don't
we'll
know
see
who
you
Amanda Wilson
tomorrow.
is.
All right, I'm going to appoint Keith Stickley specifically.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a great day as well.
You're fired. Okay. He's done with circuit court. He's on probation, and these acts would violate his probation. He has a new misdemeanor stalking complaint. He has the PPO violation, and he has a Cass County charge. So there's a lot going on here. All right.
We'll unravel it and get something set tomorrow. You need anything else, or are you good?
No, thank you for checking in. All right.